Yo, we just done shooting mad videos. Oh, selfie time. Get it. Rich, get it. Oh, hurry up. Come here. Here. I'm just getting. Oh, good. Here.
It's a video. Oh,
Alright guys, so we're here in Shibuya today and we're going to have brunch at Kayla Cafe. This is recommended by a friend. It is an Hawaiian style cafe that has brunch, like breakfast, lunch and dinner options. So when you exit Shibuya station to the Hachiko exit, you head towards Tower Records on the main street here. You're going to come to and see an intersection with the Modi building, Tower Records, karaoke. You make a left, cross intersection, then you make a left, and you make a first right, and it's in the building there. So we're in there right now, so just follow me. Trump room. Unrestricted access. Yes? Why? Yeah, but I would not find it. This room is so chandelier.
right?
Alright, so we're at the Trump room trying to find stuff. Yo! Alright, yeah. So we're there. We're trying to find Rachel's stuff, so let's go. Wait, Hordor! This is rather intimate, all of us.
This is super interesting.
It's a good. I like this adventure. It's a good adventure.
It's a good one?
It's a good adventure.
Is it?
Yeah, I like it.
I can't even get your mouth in the frame.
Bootleg porno.
Wow, he
got here.
moved like a ninja. Alright, so this is like a choose your own adventure type thing.
This is the worst one.
So we made some bad decisions last night as a group. So we're gonna find out what's going on.
Yes.
Atta!
Yes.
Yes, Teki! Oh my god, we found it!
ありがとうございます。ほんまに。はい。あ、ジャケットも持って忘れてるの。
Abs is a man.
ジャケット
Why is Abs the man?
アルマーニのやつ。これでしょ。
Alright, you don't need a jacket. Just get the damn thing and get out of here.
これです。
Look at this. She's excited like she just lost her thingamajiggy, found everything back.
Marina?
Sleeping in there?
Yeah, I was locked out.
Just kidding. Wait, whoa.
I know. I just saw legs and I was like, huh? I was like,
So,
what is this?
so wait, he was locked in his own thing?
Oh man, I'm ready for the day, you guys. What are we
Alright,
doing today?
So we found stuff. Rachel's bag has been found.
Yeah.
And we're back in the very small.
We're gonna get
elevator.
ice cream. I have money now.
Look, she's gone red again.
She's gone red.
Shut up. That's why I want to go to the loft. Yes, please.
We're waiting in the loft. So this is a brunch day thingamajiggy vlog.
Oh, I'm so.
So, well, congratulations. We found everything and we're good to go. Let's go to the loft so she can get her face made up. And then we're gonna go eat some ice cream. So, sorry I didn't vlog the Hawaiian breakfast place at Kayla's. It was bomb, dope. Follow these people on Instagram because they don't do YouTube. On Twitter, on Twitter, yeah. And this guy here, Abs the man.
Yeah.
Big up Keems. We got the people that turned out, for the birthday thing. You know?
And the people that did it. And the people that did.
Voice man.
No, don't do it. No, oh my God, guys, don't do that.
Oh yeah.
Them man, them two man there.
And Yardie, yeah.
Whew. Adam could even send me a message himself to say he's not coming.
Probably asleep though.
So we're out in the streets. Look at my boy looking for some from scalp things.
I got straight hair, bro.
Oh? Homie said he's got straight hair. He came from England, straight hair. With the Indian, straight hair.
Now, why you ethnicity involved, bro?
So this boy better bring the straight hair. What does your mom always say? Bring the ass. boy. Straight hair.
I think this is like a 4. I think this is a 4 because it's conversational. It's conversational, and you know he paints a picture.
Oh, I got bars for days. Straight hair. So this is a cheat code. Hack life, hack life. So what you do when you're light skinned. This is the hack, guys. This is a hack. If you look Japanese, let's come and get free makeup. Hack life. Test 1, 2, 3. People like me can't do it. See, look at the colors.
Yeah, this is the darkest.
It's the darkest.
Sad.
So yeah. Oh, she's a bomb. Look at her.
Wonder Woman.
Marglo. Wait, let's take a quick look at him. Okay, she's not as red, but she's red.
I'm still red.
Chinese shit.
Huh?
Kayla squad rolling out a lot, missing the scheme. Handling the business, bruh. We're out here, out to get some ice cream. Where do we go? Where do we go? Ice cream. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? She says, we are here. Alright, so we made it 31.
This one's so good.
Baskin
31 All
Robbins.
Stars. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh Lord. Whose baby is dying? We're devouring our ice cream. Strawberry cheesecake. Cheese! Up there, look at this man. This man eating things. Doing bits.
Do my bits, bro.
Of course, Rachel look at a very white face now. Matching her ice cream.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So we're going up to the top floor. We're gonna be on top of Shibuya. Wait to the top floor of Shibuya, go for some stuff. Magnet building. We're at the picture. Remember those dope pictures I took on Instagram, guys? We're up there now. The squad. KC squad. Kyla squad. Squad. Alright, so we're going to the rooftop. We're going to the roof. Are you ready, guys? Oh, he's like a secret building, right? Crossing view. Up. Yeah.
Oh, that's scary.
Whoa. It's 500 or 1,000 you take pictures, I think. But you get like 8. No, it's free to go up. But you pay to take the picture. I can't shoot over the fence. Jesus, I'm getting triggered right now. I'm afraid of heights. I did for the vlog. For the vlog.
Flying never stops. Oh, this is nice. Come on.
Alright, move. Just put your foot here. Move, man. Move, your lazy bum. Waste, man.
Me about my sex stories. Yeah, I've heard stories. I'm not chatting crap yet. Listen, bro, don't be pointing fingers at me, yeah? I've heard stories. When
Must be nice having sex. Must be nice.
Crickets.
Chirp.
it's alright, bro. Anyway.
Unacceptable condition! Unacceptable!
Yo, we just done shooting mad videos. Oh, selfie time. Get it. Rich, get it. Oh, hurry up. Come here. I'm just getting. It's
a video. Oh shit.
Why is it stopping at every floor?
Because people are scared of us. We're the foreigners. They heard about us at this.
There's nobody there.
I want a
If it's about
milkshake.
are you kidding me?
Same.
We are out here now.
Krispy Kremes do like
Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme donuts and abdominals.
I know.
Abdominals has us out here waiting for donuts.
fanny already. And like,
Look at these people waiting on donuts.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching.
Deuces, mother.
Jesus Lord. All right, that please. We're cutting her. We're cutting her out. We're gonna cut all of that out.